Welcome to our latest video, Mastering Small Talk, Essential English Phrases for Daily Conversation. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your conversational skills, this video is packed with practical phrases and tips to help you navigate everyday interactions with ease. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident engaging in small talk in various settings, from casual chats to more formal situations. Greetings and introductions. Starting a conversation often involves greetings and introductions. Here are some common phrases. Greetings. Hi, how are you? Hello, nice to see you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Responses to greetings. I'm good, thank you. How about you? Doing well, thanks. Not too bad. How are you? Introducing yourself. Hi, I'm your name. Hello, my name is your name. Nice to meet you. I'm, and you say your name. Responding to introductions. Nice to meet you. And you say your name. Pleasure to meet you. Hi, I'm. Making small talk. Engaging in small talk often involves discussing general topics. Here are some phrases to keep the conversation going. Talking about the weather. Lovely weather we're having, isn't it? It's quite cold today, isn't it? Looks like it might rain later. Discussing work or studies. So, what do you do for a living? Do you enjoy your job? What are you studying? Talking about hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time? Do you have any hobbies? I love reading. How about you? Continue the conversation. Keeping a conversation going requires showing interest and asking follow-up questions. Here are some helpful phrases. Showing interest. Really? That's interesting. Tell me more about it. How did you get into that? Asking follow-up questions. How long have you been doing that? What do you like most about it? Do you find it challenging? Sharing opinions. Sharing your thoughts can make the conversation more engaging. Here are some ways to express your opinions. Giving your opinion. I think that's a great idea. In my opinion, it's really beneficial. I believe that's true. Agreeing and disagreeing. I completely agree with you. That's a good point. I'm not sure about that. Closing the conversation. Knowing how to gracefully end a conversation is just as important as the starting one. Here are some polite ways to close. Ending the conversation. It was great talking to you. I really enjoyed our chat. I need to get going, but it was nice meeting you. Make plans to meet again. We should do this again sometime. Let's keep in touch. How about we catch up over coffee next week? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Tips for effective small talk. Be a good listener. Pay attention to what the other person is saying and respond appropriately. Nod and give verbal cues to show you're engaged. Smile and maintain eye contact. A friendly demeanor goes a long way in making others feel comfortable. Avoid controversial topics. Stick to neutral subjects like hobbies, weather, or travel to keep the conversation light and pleasant. Use open ended questions. Ask questions that require more than a yes or no answer to encourage a more detailed response. Practice regularly. The more you practice small talk, the more natural it will feel. Engage in conversations with different people to build your confidence. Mastering small talk can open doors to new friendships and opportunities. By using these phrases and tips, you'll be well on your way to becoming a more confident and effective communicator in English. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips, lessons, and resources to support your English learning journey. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.